Good morning. Is that you? Life on the water is amazing. Hey, how are you girls doing this morning? Good. We're good. You're good? You guys each got one shrimp? Yes. So this morning I did dishes and been organizing, but the girls have come in here and already started to make a mess. No, the first place we're going to is Spain. Okay, well, let's find out. Santorini is in Greece. It's Sardinia that's in Italy. I'm looking at Greece right here. So Italy will come before Greece. Right. So we're gonna go. We are going to take back my mom's rental car, and then we're gonna go buy some candles and stuff to make the boat feel more homey. Okay, we just got to TJ Maxx. Hey vlog. Okay, here's all of our organizing gear. We got lots of stuff to help us have places to put things. Okay, we just finished. Did a little bit of damage, but we got some cute stuff, and I really feel like this will make it feel like home. Time to get my room organized. Okay, so just to show what I gotten done so far, we have dinner reservations, so I gotta get ready.
Yes, Patrick?
Would you like to accompany me to dinner? That is, if you're not doing anything.
No, I don't have any plans.
Well, isn't this a coincidence?
I can only do so much, but here's my baskets up. So I have like bathing suits in there, and I have my jewelry thing hidden up here because basically this comes down and then it's hidden. So I just thought that was a safe place to keep my jewelry in case the boat ever got broken into. I have my purse and my camera hanging here. I'm going to use this to store my shoes since I don't have a lot of space. And it's also just going to be really minimalistic. So, and this is going to be like my desk area. So I can keep my laptop here and our devices. And we can use it like if we're doing breakfast in bed. We're supposed to have a reservation in 20 minutes. I don't think that's going to happen. But I'm ready. Oh, I found another piece of trash. Mom, I'm gonna get it. Okay, get a bag. Well, I'm all ready. I have no idea where James is. I don't know where he got ready. So let's go find him. James? Okay, we're all ready. Are you ready?
No.
Are you gonna go?
Yeah.
Are you just gonna meet us there?
You're gonna with me.
Oh no, I'm all ready to go.
Watch your step.
Careful. Okay, she did it. Good job, Mom. Off to dinner. Isn't it beautiful boat? Okay, we are here. It's called Hudson on the River. I like the logo.
This is water in the bridge.
Water under the bridge. So funny. The bike, because I could just ride it back there. No. For years, and she finally got it for me. So my parents got 2 bikes as well, except they got electric ones. And we, if you remember, bought the 3 fold-up bikes. However, now that Madison's coming, I'm gonna need another bike. So I think I'm gonna need to find us another bike somewhere. Hey, Eric. Hi. Our Ariati and Sailor is down in Grenada right now, and they're getting hit by a Cat 4 hurricane named Beryl. So We are actually just having our boat shipped now. Our fellow yachters and sailors, I know that that's supposed to be a safe zone, and you know, everybody was thinking they were escaping hurricane season by being down there. So just thinking about them today, pray that they have found ways to stay safe and keep their vessels safe, but most importantly that everyone gets, and we'll keep you posted on how this all works out. So I just got to the grocery store. My hard work is paid off on Instacart. I just drive up, they're gonna bring it out to me, and then my mom had to run into a store here, and then there was a couple things we forgot. So the girls I gave them my card, they're gonna go get I think there was like 5 or 6 things we just added, trying to get everything you need, and you can just sit there almost like a list and just grab your stuff. So if you're not using Instacart, you've got to start. It's so much better.